Improve bone density, strength, balance, and overall longevity with OsteoStrong Hickory. Call 828-270-0918.
This is Community Focus on the WHKY News. I'm Rob Eastwood. Arianna Mack has a look at events including Hickory's Woodworking Extravaganza and HCT's The Woman in Black. Arianna is joined by Dana Kaminske from the City of Hickory, who has information on leaf pickup, which starts soon.
Lots of great events coming up in your Hickory Metro. We'll start off with a few housekeeping things from the City of Hickory Communications and Marketing Manager, Dana Kaminske. And I know with October, we've got some things coming from Public Works. Tell us about that.
Absolutely. Well, you know it's October. You know what comes with October and the fall? The leaves. Lots of leaves. So it's our annual curbside leaf collection. This does begin November 10th. Now I will say this, throughout the city, the date starts November 10th. That doesn't mean everybody's leaf collection is starting on November 10th. So pay attention. Make sure you go to the website and get more information, our map, our details, all the things. We have collected together 8 million pounds of leaves, and so they are committed to providing the timely and efficient service that all of you deserve and look forward to. This is just one of the many services provided by the Solid Waste Division of Public Works. Each area of the city will receive 2 rounds of leaf collection during the scheduled period. The duration of the service in each area is determined by the number of mature trees and the overall size of the collection zone. So I mentioned that the City of Hickory will begin this service on November 10th, with the operations flowing until January 16th, 2026. This is 5 areas of the city. I know we have 4 quadrants, but we do break up that into 5 areas because one of the quadrants is much larger. We have Northwest A, we have Northwest B, we have Southwest, Southeast, and Northeast. So until the official start date, residents should not take their leaves to the curb. We ask you to wait until the first day of your scheduled quadrant or area's leaf collection. You can place them in a reusable yard waste bag or a 32-gallon container labeled yard waste. Do not put them in the trash or recycling bins. These can be bought or purchased at City Hall. You can buy them at the Public Services Complex. You can request special leaf collections for a nominal fee, but you can call the 828-323-7500 for more details. And to assist with planning, the city has an interactive map that you can look at hickorync.gov/leaf-collection. You can zone into your area, know when your scheduled pickup date is.
Thank you so much. And is there anything else you want to add?
That's it. If you want more information, as always, go to hickorync.gov and check out our social channels.
Thank you so much, Dana, for joining us. And now I'll add a few more events coming up in your Hickory Metro. Every October, Klingspor's Woodworking Shop sponsors and hosts the only woodworking show of its kind in North Carolina on October 17th and 18th. The Woodworking Extravaganza is located at the Hickory Metro Convention Center in Hickory. Folks from the surrounding 15 states travel to attend. In 2010, for example, over 4,500 people attended this event. This year, there will be 50-plus vendors, many hosting their own booths and offering expert advice. There will also be over 20 free demos and crafts and games for the little ones. There will be plenty to see and learn. Soap carving will be returning again this year. Join on Friday, October 17th and Saturday, October 18th to learn how to make soap carvings. Now showing at the Hickory Community Theater, The Woman in Black in the Jeffers Theater. A lawyer hires an actor to help him recount to family and friends a haunting story from a funeral he attended. There he saw the woman in black, a feared specter whose presence means death. She haunts the town where her child tragically died, and mere mention of her strikes terror into the locals. Anyone who sees her does not have long to live. Get your tickets at hickorytheater.org. It is that time of year for the Taylorsville Apple Festival on October 18th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The festival boasts 3 entertainment stages: the main stage on the courthouse lawn, the gospel stage at the west end of the festival, and the children's stage on the east end of the festival. The Kids Corner is the biggest draw for our younger attendees. The Kids Corner also hosts, in the past, pony rides, mechanical bucking, bull rides, pitching booths, numerous professional inflatables, puppet shows, music, and much more. That's all for your Arts and Entertainment Bulletin Board. Get out and explore your Hickory Metro. I'm Arianna Mack reporting for WHKY News.
Thanks, Arianna, and thanks to Dana for joining us today. And that wraps up Community Focus. and the WHKY News. Remember, you can get all of the latest news and sports 24/7 at our website, WHKY.com. We also have local news and sports 7 days a week on our sister station, WHKY Radio, 1290 AM and 102.3 FM, and streaming on multiple platforms and at our website. Thank you so much for joining us. On behalf of Arianna Mack, David Cedrone, Jason Savage, Matt Calabria, and Dana Kaminske, I'm Rob Eastwood, and from Hickory, this is the WHKY News.